Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between a pharmacy and a drugstore, and along the way we'll also learn some useful tips related to them. So what do a pharmacy and a drugstore have in common? Both a pharmacy and a drugstore are places where you can get medicines. So what's the main difference between them? A pharmacy is a place where the main focus is on selling medicines and health-related or personal care products, such as shampoos, toothpaste, vitamins, and skincare creams. A drugstore, on the other hand, is like a pharmacy but also has a small supermarket section where you can buy everyday items like snacks, chocolates, bags, drinks, and more, alongside medicines. Here's an important point about the word pharmacy. In almost all English-speaking countries, it's the common term you'll hear, and pharmacies are usually found in hospitals or medical clinics. So just keep in mind, in nearly every English-speaking country, pharmacy is the usual word. Sometimes you'll hear it more, sometimes a little less, depending on the country. In every country there are some differences. In countries like the UK, Australia, and a few others, people use the terms chemist and pharmacy. In these countries, chemist is used much more often than pharmacy, and the term drugstore isn't commonly used. For example, in the US, drugstores are more common, while pharmacies are mostly found in places like hospitals and clinics. In Canada, both drugstores and pharmacies can be seen. In this table, I've explained all three in more detail.